We've added a new workflow to KissFLOW, and I'd like to walk you through that very quickly. It is our maintenance request. So to get to it, make sure that we go to app.kissflow.com, and we're going to sign in. Make sure that we're signing in with Google. And once you click the sign in with Google, if this is the first time you've done it or the first time in a while, it'll verify, say choose the account. You choose your account and you come to your home page. From the home page, you go down here to the Create New. From the Create New, notice that we have maintenance, facilities request, and leave request. Purchase requisition is still in the works. Hopefully that will come before the end of the year, but until now, the three you will have are maintenance, facilities, and leave. We're going to go on the maintenance, so go ahead and click Initiate. It's going to autofill your name, your email, and the date of the request. You want to choose the location, either your elementary, Robert Blue High School, Emerson Building. Notice we also have football field or the track, baseball field, softball field. And if it's another location that's not on this list, go ahead and click Other Location. You then get to populate room number or location in the building. And again, if you chose other location, you may say it's the bus barn or wherever else it may be. But here I'm going to say it's room 103. And description of the problem, I'm going to ask, kindly please remove the window air conditioner. And then you ask time frame for the work to be completed. If this is urgent, you say as soon as possible. If it can be within a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, the next available break from school, or over the summer. This is one that can be done over the summer. If you have any files you need to attach or any comments you need to make, you can place those there and then hit submit. Now, Logan will get an email. It will tell him what the request is. He will then approve it or ask for clarification or reject it. If he asks for clarification, you will get a notification right here on your home screen with a number above here like these. It'll say like a 1. You click on there. He may ask, which window air. There's 2 in that room, or what spot, or what leak, or whatever it is. Once the item has been approved, it will then be assigned to one of the building custodians. When they complete it, they come in. They will then put in the date it was completed and any notes. Once it's all said and done, you will get an email saying your job has been completed. Here's the date it was completed on, and here are the notes along with the repair that was done. If it is not done to completion to your satisfaction or to the right level, you go ahead and create a new maintenance request form. But once it's all done, they're in there. Now, again, you can always check your in progress KissFLOW workflows. I have 2 that I've done. I'm testing the workflow process, anything you've participated in, and of course, all those that you've approved. So thank you very much. And again, if you have any questions, as always, please contact me.